Hi, hello everyone. It's amazing day, so we have to thankful to God for everything that He has given to us. My best regard to honorable judges and all of the others. I'm Desvita, Nasywa, and India. Today, I want to tell you a story entitled The Legend of Benowo and Lawe Waterfalls. Long time ago, there was a beautiful woman named Desvita. Many men came to propose her, but none of them were accepted. There were no men who could fulfill her requirement. She wanted a rich man who could build her a magnificent palace. One day, a man with bad face came. All over his body was full of hair. He was half a man. He met Desvita to propose her. Desvita, the most beautiful woman in the world. Will you be my queen? Who are you? What do you have? Much money? Handsome face? Go away. I don't need a man like you. Wait, you don't know me. I'm Dracula. Even though I don't have a handsome face, I can give you whatever you ask for. Do you want me to believe you? It's easy. Just give me a magnificent palace. Can you grant it? Of course, but I have one condition. Before I build the palace, promise me to be faithful until the end of my life. Desvita was confused. Then she said, give me one night to think. Come to this place tomorrow at the same time. I will give you my answer. At night, she contemplated her decision and she tried to meditate. Few moments later, a white light showed out of the sky. It changed into an old man. He said, God, Devi, accept him as your husband. You will get everything that you want. In the next day, Desvita met Dracula. She said, actually I don't like you anymore, but it's okay, I can accept your requirement. Are you sure? Yay, thank you God! I will give you a palace that you want right now. With the help of the spirit, Dracula started to build the palace. It became a beautiful and magnificent palace. A day after their wedding, an amazing thing happened. The thick hair covering Dracula's body disappeared. He became a handsome man. Desvita didn't believe what she saw. She said, Who are you? Where is my husband? My wife, it's me. I'm Dracula, your husband. I had turned into half a man as I was cursed by the goddess of earth. Honestly, your faithful is my life. If you leave me for any reason, at the time, I will return to be half a man forever. Years passed. Dracula and Desvita lived happily, but they were not blessed with a child yet. One day, Dracula asked Desvita for permission to meet a magic healer. He wanted to ask for medicine that he can get a child soon. Years by years, Desvita's husband didn't come yet. She felt so lonely. Then, a handsome young man met Desvita. Both of them are fell in love. Days later, he married and proposed to her. Suddenly, a long-tailed half-ape man came to the palace. He met Desvita and said, Desvita, this man sells for you. Who are you? I'm Dracula, I had returned to be half Eggman, and it is as you broke your promise. You broke your faithful. Dewi Parmati didn't expect that the long-tailed half Eggman was her husband. She cried, "Forgive me, my husband. I cannot keep my promise. I'm sorry, my husband." Husband, I'm no longer your husband. Everything has changed. It all happened for a reason, done from the first stage. You have broken my life. I will curse you and your new husband into stones. Suddenly, there was a windstorm and violent thunder. Shh! Shh! Dewi Parmati and Ronggo Lawe turned into two big stones. As the deep regret of them, the stone burst into tears, then the tears turned into waterfalls. Since that time, people around the location named them Curug Lawe and Curug Benowo. Curug means waterfalls. The location of Curug Lawe is close to Curug Benowo. Both of them are in the same location, in Kali City Village, West Ungaran. From this story, we can learn that never betray to someone who has trusted us. Well, that's all about my story. I'm Desvita. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.